How's it going? Phil here from Fierce Technology. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to install a screen protector on your Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. This is how you do it correctly without any bubbles and have a perfectly aligned install. There are two types of screen protectors you can buy for your Tesla. You can buy the gloss one or the matte finish one. The gloss one looks more like your original screen, like you don't really see it on there. The matte one will reduce glares, but you're definitely going to be able to see it on your screen. It's really a personal preference. I prefer the gloss one, which is the one that I'm going to be using for today's install. But if you want the matte finish one, I'm going to put both the preferred ones that I like in the description box below. So check those out and you can check out the current pricing for them. The first thing you're going to want to do is clean the screen and make sure that there's no dust or fingerprints or anything on there. So what you're going to want to do is first go into your controls, go to display, and you want to put on screen clean mode. So we'll put that on right now, and you can see it just makes the screen completely black besides just saying that we're on the screen cleaning mode. And this allows you to see all the dust and fingerprints on your screen so you can get those removed. What I prefer to clean my screen with is screen cleaner stuff called Whoosh. It's my favorite thing to use for my car, for my phone, for my computer. I use it to clean all my screens. It's specifically made to clean screens. I absolutely love this stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the cleaning wipe in here and we're gonna spray down the screen and then we're going to clean it. So don't be afraid that you're gonna wreck your screen or anything. This is specifically for your screen. So we're gonna give it a nice dusting right there. We're gonna take our cloth and just wipe it down. The next thing that we're gonna do is install these little aligner pieces right here that come inside the packaging. So they've got a little 3M sticky part on the back. We're gonna remove those. The sticky part will go just on the side of the screen. So we're gonna install all of these on here. Now that we've got those all installed, we're gonna grab the little sticker piece right here, which will remove any sort of dust on the screen. So we wanna get any sort of last minute dust off your screen before you install. Sometimes your cloth that you have will leave little specks of dust. You wanna remove all of those. So we're just gonna tap the screen and get any sort of bits of dust that you see on there and get those all removed. Perfect. Now that we've got those all removed, we're gonna grab our screen protector. It has an arrow pointing up, so we know that it goes that way up. We're going to remove your back plastic piece right here, and we'll slowly remove that and place it over top of our alignment tool, just like that, over top, and there we go. And we're just gonna make sure it's perfectly aligned on all four corners and perfectly alignment with those alignment tools. And now it's just gonna be kind of resting there. And what you wanna do is push the middle right here, and you're gonna see it start to heal. It's gonna start to heal. Grab your little tool right here and press it to continue healing it. And as it goes out to those edges, you just wanna pull these pieces out. So we're actually gonna pull them out and it's gonna heal more. So pull that one out and we'll pull that one out. And you can see it just going and healing. We're just gonna let it heal right now. There we go. You can see it's kind of healing from this side right down. Keeping going. Perfect. Healing right there. And then this little tool right here, it's got that soft edge. You want to press down, and any sort of other little bubbles and stuff that it's left, you just want to just push out. So you can see little bits that you can just push right out. Not a problem. And once it's all on and healed, you want to grab your Whoosh screen protector cleaner again, give it another spray, wipe it down. And now we're just going to exit this screen cleaning mode by hold to exit. 3, 2, 1, and boom, there we go. And now we've got a perfect install of a glass screen protector on your Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. If this video was helpful, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.